Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Webull paper trading on your phone. First, open the Webull app and navigate to the main menu. Look for the paper trading option, usually found under the Trade or More section. Tapping this will launch your simulated trading environment. This feature allows you to practice various trading strategies and get comfortable with the platform's interface using a virtual balance, typically starting at $1,000,000. It's a fantastic way to learn without any financial risk. Once in the paper trading interface, you can search for any stock or option you wish to trade. After selecting your desired asset, you'll see the familiar order entry screen. Crucially, ensure you select paper trade rather than live trade to avoid real transactions. You can then specify your order type, such as market or limit, the quantity of shares, and your desired price. Confirming the order will execute it within your virtual portfolio, simulating a real market transaction. Your open paper trading positions are visible in your virtual portfolio, just like a live account. Here, you can track their performance in real time, seeing your virtual gains or losses fluctuate. To close a position, simply select it and choose the Close Position option. You can also modify existing orders, such as adjusting a stop loss or take profit level, to manage your risk. This hands-on experience helps you understand market dynamics and order management effectively. Webull provides detailed reports on your paper trading performance, allowing you to analyze your virtual profit and loss over time. This data is invaluable for refining your strategies before committing real capital. If you ever want to start fresh, you can easily reset your paper trading account balance. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, making healthy eating simple and convenient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.